If you're editing videos on CapCut PC and wondering where your exported files actually go, you're not alone. CapCut makes editing simple, but locating the final exported video can be a bit tricky. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to find your exported videos from CapCut on your PC. Let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. As you can see, I've already imported a video. Now export it by clicking on the Export option. It will take a few seconds to finish exporting. Once done, go to the search bar and type %appdata%. Then press Enter. Now you'll be inside the roaming folder. Click on App Data in the address bar. Then open the local folder. Next, open the CapCut folder. Inside, you'll see a folder named Videos. Click on it. Now here you can see the video that you exported. And that's it. Now you know exactly where to find your exported videos from CapCut on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.